Honorable Secretary Montanaro de la Peña of the Department of Science and Technology, Honorable Mayor Nestor Alvarez, represented by the Administrative Officer and former colleague at CLSU, Dr. Odivina, Vice President Vice Mayor Argel Ronel, together with the members of the City Council, Director Sancho Mabora of Region 2, Department of Science Technology, Dr. Julius Sikat of the Director of DOST Region 3, Dr. Arman Canal of DOST Region 1, Dr. Ed Garcia of TAPI, the representative of Honorable Congresswoman Nikki Bilango, Mr. Joey Francisco, our distinguished inventors, we're here Inventor Pagayon and Inventor Patsanhan, university officials, my fellow SUP presidents of Central Zone, and their representatives, the future presidents of the different state universities and colleges in Central Zone, members of the media, students, friends, ladies and gentlemen, magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. The Central Luzon State University is delighted and honored to host the 2019 National Inventors Week. As far as I can recall, this is the first time that our university is hosting event at national level. We are thankful to DOST Region 3 Director, Dr. Julius Sikat, for choosing CLSU as the venue of this 2019 National Inventors Week. Hindi naman po ako nakatungkol, ako'y makatanggap ng sulat kay Dr. Sikat, kapagkat iniisip ko rin po yung mga pondong binibigay ng Department of Science and Technology sa CLSU. Salamat po sa inyo. Salamat po kay Secretary Peña sa malaking pondong binibigyan niyo po sa CLSU para makagawa kami ng makabuluhang pananaliksik sa agrikultura. Sana wag po kayo magsawa ng pagbibigay ng pondo sa amin. At patuloy rin po kami nagsasagawa ng nire-release po namin ng aming mga teknolohiya. Salamat kay Dr. Garcia sa inyong pagtulong sa amin. Well, this event is an avenue for showcasing the ingenuity and talent of the Filipino inventors. Sa katunayan po, ay nararanasan na po namin sa entablado ang isang invention po ng ating mga magagaling na Pilipino. Hindi po kami naiinitan dito dahil meron po may mist na ventilador. Pero tinutulungan po tayo ng isang invention din po. Hindi ko po alam kung sino ang nakatuklas, yung pong pamaypay. So, makaresulta po yan ng mga invention. This gives also an opportunity for the university to showcase the technologies and other products from the research engagements of our faculty, as well from the other agencies and institutions, such as the Philippine Carabao Center, the Philippine Rice Research Institute, Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources, and the Philippine Center for Post-Harvest Development and Mechanization. This week-long event serves as an avenue to appreciate the many inventions of our talented and innovative inventors. They are the new breeds of Filipino inventors in the league of Dr. Fedel Mundo, who invented the incubator that saved many lives of babies who are born prematurely. Agapito Flores, who invented the fluorescent bulb, the video phone by Gregorio Zara, and Angel Alcala, who invented the artificial coral reefs that is now used by our neighboring Asian neighbors. The Duterte administration is hell-bent on pursuing on its long-term goal, which is for every Filipino to lead a comfortable and secure life. The many programs of DOST are anchored on this goal of creating more jobs, protect our communities, and open new opportunities for the talents of Filipinos on science and technology to surface. Let us channel the collective outputs of our Filipino inventors to build a strong, resilient, and robust economy. Welcome and have a fruitful and enjoyable Inventors Week. And God bless us all. Thank you very much.